Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Button Willow Raceway, and welcome to this beautiful day. 70 degrees out here and mostly sunny, little cloudy. We got a huge system coming in tonight, and we've just had this break. So anyways, I'm on the S1000R. I said right here after lunch I was going to be on the RR, but I looked at the right side tire and almost high-sided that thing. It's almost gone, and this is actually worse. So I'm going to do one session on this for you guys next session, but I wanted to do one more session on this, which we're kind of getting there. But I've had a good day on this thing. 4 sessions, so this is our 4th session. I thought I'd take you along for a little extra bonus ride, a little content for you guys. I've been lacking severely on content, and my apologies. Like I said, the weather's just been against us this whole time, and it's just literally 2-3 months of just rain and snow and rain, and then it snowed, then it rained, then it snowed, and now it's raining again. So we're going to be packing everything up and probably staying away from track for a couple more weeks. Let's go ahead and get our visor down. And away we go. Just love this bike. Steering damper I got kind of figured out. Got it stiffened to where I like. I do like it a little tighter than most. If you guys are new to the channel and just finding this single R out here on track, I love this thing. I can't say enough about it. A lot of people ask me about the brake master on this bike, and I love the brake master on this bike. I mean, the brakes are super on it. I did upgrade the rotors, which is pretty common to do on this steel wheel. For the BMW S1000, I bought a set of forged wheels and then realized that I bought the last gen, so I have 2 wheels for the 20 sets of wheels for the 16. It's wobbling around a little bit. Not sure why it's upset. But I'd love to get a set of forged wheels, so if anybody's got a set of forged wheels for a 2020 plus S1000RR or S1000R, I would definitely be interested, so let me know. I said this was going to be a bonus ride, but I don't know. I feel like I want to talk to you guys. I got so much going on. It's been a few months. I mean, really nothing's been going on with me much. I mean, work is a little up and down. A new puppy a few weeks ago. I'm not sure if I mentioned her name. It's Vixen. And if you guys aren't following on Instagram, I put it up in the first video, but horsepower. She's gonna be a big girl. What's wrong with this? This suspension's not liking what's going on. You know, I don't know what. I'm like not confident. puckered. I don't know. I think the tire might be a little spent on the rear. I've got new tires at home, so get a new rear on here soon. That's about all I had. Got to get my stamina up a little bit more. Whew, I'm a little tired. Get about 45-minute, no, half-hour break. Because we got 2 more groups. And then take the RR out for a session. And then I think that's my day. I do want to. It's already at 1. This lever feels like it's like way out. So yeah, so we'll tuck this thing. This thing will be it for the day. We'll do 1 session on the RR and then packing and going. Whew. Well, there we are. BMW S1000R. Love the bike. Stay tuned. We have velocity stacks going on this, and then we have the tune going on this. New rear tire. May throw on a front. Let's see what the front looks like now. We got some good, I don't know. I got a front, so I may throw it on. Let's just get a fresh set on these things. But stay tuned, because right after this, we're going to head out on the RR. I'll get it up on warmers, check the tire pressures, and get out there for 1 session on this thing, and then pack up and head home. But thank you guys for sticking around. Gorgeous day. You can see the thickness coming in. And like I said, we've got this river coming through tomorrow. So you'll see some of these videos tomorrow, but thank you guys for sticking around. Do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring that bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notification of future content. And if you guys haven't been following the last video, this is Vixen. Vixen the Great Dane. Hi, baby love. Hello, love. My little baby dog. No. She's halfway out now, so she is going to be a huge one. So stay tuned for Vixen the Great Dane. But thank you guys for sticking around. We'll see you next video. Bye, guys.